Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Quick guide. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to track someone in Google Maps. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First, open the Google Maps app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once you do that, launch the app, then sign in using your Google account. Will make sure the person that you're trying to track has sent you their live location through any social media. I'll show you through Gmail. Here's the guide's location shared with a message. See my real-time location on maps. All you have to do is follow that link. Then your Google Maps will automatically open on your phone. Then all you have to do is go ahead and select the direction option there. Once you do that, you're gonna be able to track that person via Google Maps. And guys, that's it. That's how you track someone in Google Maps. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.